Hello guys, welcome back to another new video. This video I'll show how to working multiple spreadsheet in Google Sheet. So let's get started. So guys, this is the spreadsheet and this is the click full screen, and I'm using no name and title spreadsheet. So if you need to more sheets, so I just click order and click sheet 2 is blank icon, sheet 3 is blank. So if you need the more sheet and click just plus icon, and sheets 1 2 3 are more one, and click 4 sheet 4. So guys, let's start today's video explain. So guys, I'm check just order and this is my data. So next time chat with another new episode. So goodbye.